Right here. Whoa. What is it? Fish?
Yeah. Oh, toys.
What is it? Pony?
Yeah.
Oh, ponies. What's that?
Cat.
Cards?
Oh.
What is it?
That.
A watch.
Yeah. Tete.
Stickers? SpongeBob? What is it? I can't see. Crayons?
Yeah, tete.
Oh, stickers.
Mama.
What else is that? What's this? The white, yeah, you got more. What's this thing? What are those? Shorts? What is that? Hmm?
See.
Let me see.
It do.
Jewelry?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What else? Did you get clothes? Hold it up. Is that, what color is that? What color? What color is that shirt?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Fix it.
White skirt. That's pretty.
Yeah, very pretty.
This shirt. What color's that?
Purple.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Okay, can you say thank you?
Thank you.
That's not from them. It's from great grandma and grandpa.
Open it.
Look, we got Grandpa here and G-Ma Fern.
Hello.
Hello. Claire, come here. Come look at Mommy. Can you say thank you into the camera and give a kiss? Say thank you. Look at Mommy. Look at the camera. Hey, look at Mommy. Look at the camera. Say thank you.
They do.
Can you give a kiss? Okay. Say see you soon. See you soon.
I need that.
You like the watch?
Oh, that.
You want to wear it?
Yeah. Oh, boy.
You want to play the pony? Oh, cool. Does it have hair? It has a hairbrush?
Yeah. Open it, Mama.
Open it? Okay, I'll open it. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.